I am the first person here. I sing
We
into
welcome you to the opening ceremony of the 13th World Choir Games.
Before the people rise.
Kia ora. And now, I declare the World Choir Games 2024 Auckland open.
To the next we dream, we shine.